Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. I've never drawn anything using this method, so this is new to me. I was just sitting around thinking about something, and I thought, why not this work? Why will this not work? So let's take an ellipse, hit P, put it in the center of the page. Let's take three 3-point or 2-point line, make them extra long, hit P, Control D and rotate it 10 degrees. Well, evidently Control D didn't work. Now go it to 0 and then Control D and it put it at half. Normally this is my writing surface on an envelope, but now my writing surface is all up in here. As long as I stay within these two lines, it'll all come together. Now I'm going to use the B-spline tool again. I've been using it quite a bit. The only thing I can suggest is kind of come in kind of at a right angle, kind of like on the shape of that circle. And then the B-spline tool, I'm just using, I'm moving my hand and I'm clicking the left mouse button. Now, the only thing you've got to do kind of is you've got to go back out, and I would kind of mimic the same thing. You can either hit enter or you can double click on your mouse. Now, I don't like that curve right there, so we can always change it. See, you can make this like that. But see, that kind of, now we'll go back at a kind of a right angle. Now we're going to take this, Control D and mirror it, grab the two-sided, look at that. Now we're going to come up in here and do a little more. And I'm going to use the B-spline tool again. And I'm going to come in and then immediately start going up. And I really want to go straight across because I did it in one of my practice videos or practice drawing, and it really came out pretty good. Don't just don't get too close to the line. And I'm just going to call that good. See how I came off at a right angle? Well, wouldn't really matter. I've used that part now, but let's go across. And you can actually go below here or above there. It's your drawing. Let's go ahead and B-spline again and kind of come in at a right angle. And what I mean by right angle, I mean kind of where it'll, when it joint, you know what? I don't know if I should do that little whoop-de-doo, but we're going to try it. Whoop. See, when you get that, just hit the escape button or hit the enter button. That might look pretty cool. I don't know how it's going to look. It's just going to be a line, Control D, and then mirror it over. You know what? I didn't mirror that one. That's why I do them each time I do them. That way, you know, I might have tried to draw up in there. This isn't going to be my best work, but what I was going to say, you can go way outside this top part. You know, you could go way up in here. And I mean, as long as you stay inside this line, it will not touch the other one when we rotate it. I'm not doing a very good job. I'm trying to make the video a little shorter. Let's do one more. And, you know, that'll be pretty tall if I go any more. So Control D, two-sided arrow. I deleted that one. Well, I didn't Control D. We deleted that line, but I'm going to delete it right now anyway. So now delete all these lines because we're working in the center of the page. And I'm going to grab it and I'm going to weld this. And then I'm going to make it something thicker than a hairline. And let's see our joints. They're pretty good. They're a little bit off. What we can do is grab both those. Matter of fact, you could do them all at one time. Grab those, open up windows, dockers, and join curves. And it's going to put those two together now. Might as well just go ahead and do them all. I think they're Yeah, so you got a little bit of a crack. That's because it's not perpendicular. Well, it is the best you could do. I think that whoop-de-doo is going to be pretty cool. Let's go ahead and make it black. It's still a line. Control D and make a duplicate, alternate C to have it rotate from the center of the page and rotate it 20 degrees. Control D. Now we're going to have to weld this together because we got little lines most likely. And we'll just weld them together. Let's make them all yellow by right-clicking like a line. And let's bring in the box. See, I just came up. That's pretty cool. I like them all. I could sit and do that all day. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two. You can see like the little whoop-de-doo. Okay, there's a line that didn't weld, but that can be easily fixed. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.